Okay, right now, I'm in the back, so I'm supposed to be steering, which I sort of am. You guys keep paddling. I have to vlog this. It's really important. So we are in, what is this, Crooked Lake? Is that what this is called? Something like that. Anyway, Basswood Lake, something like that. So what I'm looking at right here, that is Lower Basswood Falls right there, or Basswood Falls, whatever it's called. And we are headed, like right at this moment, we're getting ready to cross the border from the United States of America into Canada. How cool is that? So what you're viewing right now is an international incident. I hope not, Sam. We are sporting a pirate flag on our canoe, so I'm hoping that there aren't any. Maybe I should check those laws first. Oh well. Here we are. So anyway, we're just about there in Canada. I mean, I think we're probably there. This is the line right here. I'm just going to call it. This is Canada. We're on the line. Boom. Right now, we are in Canada. We've crossed over. Wow. Amazing. It totally changed, didn't it?
Wow.
The scenery. It got closer. Yeah. It's crazy. So there you go. That's Canada. That's Canada right there. Canada.